Hey guys, come on into my kitchen. I'm gonna make a salami pizza. Oh yeah, homemade. And it's a quick and easy salami pizza made with soft shell tortillas. These are the ingredients. Now let's get into making this pizza. Now I have extra virgin olive oil on the aluminum foil with the shiny side facing down. I'm gonna go ahead and smear that oil all over that aluminum foil. I'm going to get the flour tortilla and put one on each. And then we're going to take about a tablespoon of salsa and we're going to spread it out. You don't want it too thick because it'll make you have a piece of pie instead of a crispy crust pizza. But if you want a crispy crust pizza, just put a tablespoon of the salsa. If you want a piece of pie, put about 2 tablespoons. You see I put some mozzarella shredded cheese on there. I'm opening up the can of black olives and we're going to have some mushrooms. I'm going to make sure I drain them. I'm going to take the mushrooms and put half on one pizza and half on the other because we love mushrooms. And if you guys love mushrooms, you do the same. And if you don't, just change up your toppings because you can make this however you want to make it. And then once we get done with that, we're going to take the black olives and we're going to slice them in half. And we're going to place as many as you want on top of each pizza. After we get done slicing the black olives, we're going to go ahead and start putting our salami on top. Now, we're going to also put black pepper and onion powder instead of using sliced onions. Now I kind of missed that step because I forgot I wasn't recording, but I just showed you those 2 items and it goes on right before you put the salami on. Powdered onion if you don't want to use a sliced onion, and some black pepper. Now we're just gonna spread that salami out on there, and then we're going to get the heart block mozzarella cheese, and I'm going to thinly slice it up to where it's covering the areas of the pizza so that once it starts melting, it'll kind of spread out. On top of that, once I get this done, I'm going to be adding some more mozzarella, the shredded mozzarella. And then we're going to put it in the oven at 400 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes, depending on the crispiness that you want of your crust. And then we'll be ready to serve it at the table. Oh, yeah. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. This is my cooking channel, and I really love bringing different things to you. I've done several different pizza recipes, and if you try one, hey, hit me up in the comment section below of that video and say, hey, I tried it and I loved it. Or I tried it and I didn't care for it. Either way, let me know. PromoSTK, eating good in the neighborhood, is where you see us mukbang these. PromoSTK, where you see it now, Sheila's Creations way. And they just came out of the oven. And they'll go from the aluminum foil onto the plate. Oh, yeah. And if you haven't already, become one of our Oh Yeah babies and subscribe. Subscribe and share. Share, share, share. Sharing gets us out there in the YouTube algorithm. Oh, yeah.